What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to recover recently deleted files on Google Drive. Now this tutorial is specific to iPhone, but it is easily done on desktop or any sort of computer if you are on that as well. But for iPhone specifically, just go ahead and hop into the Google Drive app here. And from any menu, you will see those little three lines that are in the top left corner. Click on those. It'll take you to this menu here where there are a few different options, but you will see the fourth option down called Trash. Click on that. And it'll take you to your Google Drive trash here. Now, I don't have anything that I recently deleted, so there are no files that are showing up. But you could see the text that has appeared that says that items are deleted forever after 30 days. So basically anything that you have deleted within 30 days will appear here. If it has been longer than 30 days, unfortunately, it is deleted forever. But if you accidentally deleted something recently, it is still possible to recover it using this method. And it is equally possible on desktop as well. Just use similar steps and you will get to the final result. If you did have any questions though, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. If you found this video helpful today, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.